They bring in music, and at some point in the movie, when their ship is crossing Saturn, there is this one scene where they show the ship crossing Saturn, and there is no sound effect that they've used. There's just silence. Silence is the sound effect.
Yes.
And you feel like you are crossing Saturn
You do, yes.
when you're watching that.
Yeah, on the big screen.
Oh
Yeah.
my God. Oh, I have used that to explain so many detailed filmmaking. That whole film, not just that scene, that whole film is a masterclass in emotional filmmaking.